Beloved in the Lord, hope you are enjoying and doing well, because this is the season of joy. Ke paka ya boitumelo, the season we as the Christian church are celebrating the birth of our Savior Jesus. Let us all draw near with true hearts during this time of joy, during this time of Christmas. Let's celebrate, make joyful noise, worship and praise. Ka gore mo pakeng ya re opela pisalome e reng ngwana re mo tsaletswe, morwa re mo neilwe, mme mo legetleng la gagwe go teng puso, mme o bidiwa kgalalelo le mogakolodi le modimo wa boganka le rara wa bosakhutleng, kgosi ya kagiso. Jesaja chapter 9 verse 6. I, Akasia Lutheran Parish Pastor, like to wish you a peaceful, joyous Christmas and a prosperous, wonderful New Year. God bless you all. I love you. Enjoy your holidays. Go bofelong a rutlwe pina e tlang ka Akasia Lutheran Church Choir e reng Mmele, pelo le moya. God bless you, and peace be with you all. Thank you.
Botho.